Hello everyone, welcome you all. This is Suresh from Mezra Automation channel. Today I am going to discuss about the Git cloning operations. In this we will see how can we clone project from remote repository, and also we'll see cloning the particular branch from remote repository. We'll see both operations now. So let's get started. Let me open my github.com. Here I have a project here which is a demo project. Under main, I have a folder called readme. I have two branches here. One more branch is a second branch. Under that branch, I have one additional file which is a demo.java. And let me go to main branch. From here, I will clone this entire project to my local. For that, I need a location in my local. For that, I will create one particular folder in this location. And I will use git bash to navigate to my current working directory. I will copy this location, folder location, and use commands, Windows based commands to navigate to this working directory. I am into now working directory. Let me clone first this project from my remote. To clone this project, you need to go to this code. Under that code, you need to click on this down arrow. You will find two operations, which is HTTPS and SSH. You can use either of them to clone the project from remote to local. I will copy this location from here, and using the git clone commands will clone that project. Git clone, you need to provide remote location. Hit enter and it says cloning into demo project. It is successfully cloned that project. Let me go to local again. Here you will see demo project created. So it has .git extension and readme file. Now we'll see how can we clone a particular branch from a remote repository. For that, I will create another file or a location. And now my current working directory is a branch folder. From here, I will try to clone my one of a branch from this remote. Let me use git clone, and you need to give -b and you need to provide branch name. Branch name is a second branch, right? This is my branch name, and you need to provide a remote location. You need to provide a same remote location, and no need to change these branches from here. You can use still this branch name, or you can use this HTTP location. Hit enter. It is again saying cloning into demo project. Go back to the local and you will see demo project folder has been created in this branch location. You can see demo.java file is added here, which means that we have successfully cloned the branch from remote as well. Right? This is how you clone both branches and the main branch from the Git using the clone operations. I hope this session is useful for you. In case if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. Do share your questions, feedback in my comment section. Thank you.